Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, front disc rear drum brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.